Good morning, boys and girls. It's trivia day, and that means it's Friday, so TGIF. Um, this particular trivia that we did this week was not a difficult trivia, but the thing was you had to find all the combinations, and so you had to somehow organize yourself to see if you were finding all the right combinations. There were three of them. So anybody who didn't get into the prize box was not because you got things wrong, but because you didn't go far enough and find all three combinations. The combinations you did find were correct, but we needed three of them. There was one student who made a little bit of a mathematical error, but other than that, people really did well on this trivia. So the premise of the trivia was that the cook needed 49 pounds of flour. It only came in 3-pound bags and 5-pound bags. She used everything that was in it to get the 49 pounds. And you needed to see what combinations of 3 and 5 pounds she had to use. So I started out, I first chose to do the 3-pound bag first because I knew that it's really easy to find out if whatever's left over is a multiple of 5. So that's why I chose to start with the 3-pound bags. But some of you, a lot of you started with the 5-pound bags, and that was fine too. And then I thought to myself, well, 3 times 16 is 48. So that's under 49. So I decided to start with 16 3-pound bags. Then I would have had 48 pounds of flour. That left only 1 pound, and that is not a multiple of 5, so that couldn't be right. So I stepped down to 15. Now, I knew it probably wasn't going to work, but I wanted to see if there was any kind of pattern that might be happening. So I stepped down to 15. That's 45 pounds altogether. That means that there would be only 4 pounds left over to get 49 pounds. I couldn't use that one. Okay, so let's go on. What if we had 14 3-pound bags of flour? So 14 times 3 is 42. And so that would mean that if I needed 49 pounds, that would be 7. And I know that 7 is not a multiple of 5, so that can't be it either. Then I went down to 13. Now I'm trying to look. Okay, so I see it's minus 3 each time. So then if it was 13, it would be 39 pounds. And that would leave 10 pounds that I had to make up for. And 10 is a multiple of 5. So if I had 2 5-pound bags, that would be 10. 39 plus 10 is 49. I have just found my first combination. So then I stepped it down to 12. And again, I notice that it's minus 3 because it's only 1 3-pound bag left. So that leaves us with 36. And so 36, if 49 take away 36 is 13. That's not a multiple of 5, so that can't be it. And then I went down to 11 minus 3, that would be 33. Okay, then I would need 16, and that's not a multiple of 5, so that can't be it. And then I went to 10, and that would have been 30 pounds, which would mean we would need 19 pounds, and that wouldn't work. So I tried 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, 49 minus 27 is 21. Not a multiple of 5. So let's try 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 49 minus 24 is 25. Okay, now that is a multiple of 5. I know that if I have 5 5-pound bags, I'm going to get 25. 24 plus 25 is 49. I just found my second combination that the cook would buy. So I just want to take a look at this. Let's see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 numbers in between. So I'm just going to guess now. I want to see, okay, is that what it is? Is it every 5 that's going to work? So if I had 5, that would be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Well, we could try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if it was 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, I'm going to skip down to 3 and see if that works. So if there's 3 3-pound bags, that's 9 pounds. 49 minus 9 is 40. That is a multiple of 5. 5 times 8 is 40. And so if we have 40 plus 9, that's 49. And I found my other combination. So what I needed to see on your paper is whatever kind of work you did to solve it. And then, as always, we need to circle our final answer. So you would have written 13 3-pound bags and 2 5-pound bags. The second combination is 8 3-pound bags and 5 5-pound bags. And the last combination would be 3 3-pound bags and 8 5-pound bags. And then that would be your answer that got circled. So I was very lenient this time in the fact that some of you just wrote this and didn't show any of your work. I accepted it this time, but I won't next time because I need to see something that you did to solve it. There were other people that I could tell how they solved it because they just started adding different groups of 5 and 3. And I did give them credit for it, but it should have been written like this because this is what the question was asking for. So I'm just warning you, I'm not going to be that lenient next time. If you just give me the answer without showing me how you got it, you don't have to do it this way. You don't have to do an organized list, but you have to show me everything you tried in order to come up with it. So please remember that next time because I will not make any exceptions next time for that. Okay, let's see who's in the winner's box. So from my class, we have Audrey, Nick, Addie, Reagan, and Austin. Okay. And the winner this time is Nick. Congratulations, Nick. Good job. Okay, and from Mrs. Heath's class, we had 2 people who got in the prize box, Aiden and Owen H. 2. And Owen H. is the winner this time. Congratulations. And finally, from Mrs. Sullivan's class, we have Sophie, Catalina, Madeline, Ryan, Brian, Aiden, and Gianna. And the winner from this class is Gianna. Congratulations, Gianna. Congratulations to all of you. I'm so happy how many of you do the trivia almost every week. That's great. The rest of you, try one every once in a while. It's a lot of fun. Okay, enjoy your weekend. Have fun, and I will be seeing you on Zoom next week, probably on Thursday. Take care.